Hi students, in arithmetic progression we discussed nth term or general term or last term of given AP, that is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is first term and d is common difference. Look at this problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. What is given here? Third term of an AP T3 equal to 16, and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Also, seventh term is equal to fifth term. Exceeds means more. How much it exceeds? 12. That means T7 is equal to T5 plus 12. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That means plus 12. Okay. We know the formula, general formula. What is the first term? A. Let A be the first term. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. D be the common difference. Then nth term of an AP Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You remember the formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Now I want third term. Third term T3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 means 2d. Reduce 1. Third term I want, so a plus 2d. What is seventh term? Seventh term T7 equal to a plus 6d. Reduce 1. Similarly, fifth term. What is fifth term? T5 equal to a plus 4d, because a plus 5 minus 1 means 4d. Okay. So, now as per the data, what is given here? As per the data, okay, what is third term here? A plus 2d equal to 16. Let it be equation 1. And what is the second one? Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Means what is seventh term here? A plus 6d. I am putting the values. T7 means a plus 6d. T5 means a plus 4d plus 12 as it is. Now I can cancel this a both sides. 6d plus 4d, bring this side, minus 4d equal to 12. 6d minus 4d, 2d equal to 12. D equal to 12 by 2. 2 6 are. So what is the common difference here? D equal to 6. Okay. I got common difference 6. That common difference 6 value, if you put in this equation, we will get A. Right? Let us see. I will put in this equation now. So, if D equal to 6, equation 1 becomes A plus 2 into 6 equal to 16. A plus 6 2s are 12 equal to 16. A equal to 16 minus 12 means 4. So first term A 4. First term a equal to 4. Second term t2 is a plus d, right? A plus 1d, because instead of n we have to keep 2, so a plus n minus 1 into d. So a value how much we got? 4 plus d value 6, 10. Third term, what is third term? T3 equal to a plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1, that means 2d. A value 4 plus 2 into d value 6. 4 plus 2 6 are 12. How much? 16. Therefore, required AP. The required AP is, they asked us to find AP. Required AP is, first term is 4. Add common difference 6, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22, like that. So on. So what is our required AP here? 4, 6, 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. This is the way we do the problem. Okay? Thank you. Second question. How many terms are there in the series? How many terms are there in the series? How many terms are there in the series? 4, 7, 10, 13, 4, 7, 10, 13, so on. 148. Okay. How many terms are there in the series? Is this AP? Is this AP? Since the common difference is equal, 7 minus 4, 3, 10 minus 7, 3, 13 minus 10, 3. So, given AP is, given AP is 4, 7, 10, 10, 13, so on, 148. By the way, what is the 148 here? What is this 148 here? Last term, right? I told you already. What does it mean? Last term means it is called general term. That means Tn. Tn equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into t. That means here we are given nth term, last term, general term, anything it is same. Okay, we are given the last term. So how many terms are there? Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, so on is there, no? So how many number of terms we have to calculate? Here what is the first term? First term of an AP A equal to 4. Common difference D equal to T2 minus T1, means 7 minus 4. How much? 3. Also, we are given last term. What is the last term? L equal to 148. Last term means what is the last term actually? A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 148. Last term means nth term. So what is A here? We will substitute 4 plus n minus 1 into d value 4. D value how much? 3 equal to 148. First 4 shift that side. 4 shift that side. Then n minus 1 into 3 equal to 148 minus 4. What is 148 minus 4? N minus 1 into 3 equal to 144. N minus 1 equal to 144. This into 3, if you shift that side by 3, 3 4s 12, 3 8s are. So n minus 1 equal to 48. N equal to 48 minus 1 will be plus 1. So 49. Therefore, how many terms are there now? Number of terms n equal to 49. How many terms are there in this progression? 49 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. 49th term is 148. Last term, that is last term, no? So how many terms are there? 49 terms are there. So 49th term is 148. Okay? Same model you look at one more. Then you can understand. Third problem. One more, see. Three by 4 comma 1, 3 by 4 comma 1, comma 1 1 by 4, comma so on 3. So what is the last term here? So given AP is what? 3 by 4, 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. What is the last term by the way? 3. That is the last term here. So what is the last term here? L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term means nth term. Okay. What is nth term here? 3. So first term is 3 by 4. Common difference is what? T2 minus T1. So 1 minus 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 1 by 4. Right? Common difference is 1 by 4. Last term is what? 3. What is the last term as per the formula? A plus N minus 1 into D. Remember always, general term, last term or first term, it is same. So A value 3 by 4 plus N minus 1 into D value how much? 1 by 4 equal to 3. Okay. This 3 by 4 I will shift that side first. So N minus 1 into 1 by 4 equal to 3 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 shift that side. Now take LCM. What is the LCM? N minus 1 into 1 by 4 equal to 4 3s are 12. LCM 4 3s are 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3, 9 upon 4. Now 1 by 4 I am shifting that side. 9 by 4 into 1 by 4 will be 4 by 1. It becomes reciprocal. 4 4 cancel. So N minus 1 equal to 9. N equal to 9 plus 1, 10. So how many terms are there now? Therefore, the number of terms of given AP N equal to 10. How many terms are there? 10 terms are there. Okay? Thank you.